A BPM file contains a Bizagi process model, business process diagrams, and workflow definitions mapped out visually. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, edit, or export these process modeling documents. Just a heads up, when we get to our final point, the one-click fix, we'll be discussing the value of a single powerful BPM file inspection tool. BPM files are business process model files, created by Bizagi Modeler storing BPMN 2.0 compliant workflow diagrams. They contain process flows activities, gateways events, swim lanes, and documentation used for business process analysis and improvement initiatives. Bizagi BPM files use a proprietary XML-based format, wrapping BPMN 2.0 elements with additional Bizagi-specific metadata for simulation attributes, extended documentation, and visual layout properties. They export to standard BPMN XML, XPDL, and Visio formats. It is standard practice to open the BPM format using the designated Bizagi Modeler by Bizagi. Proper interaction and modification must be done through a dedicated utility for stability. Windows can show thumbnails, but layered or advanced edits require full design programs. To unlock the data, right-click the BPM file and select Open with Test Bizagi Modeler if available. If it's absent, choose another program. We must determine which app can properly read the header. When a BPM file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. When the initial application fails, we must assume a deeper problem. Let's jump into these 3 core diagnostic steps immediately. First, opening the file. Download and install Bizagi Modeler free from bizagi.com. Launch the application and open your BPM file via File, then Open. Bizagi Modeler will display the complete process diagram with all swim lanes activities, gateways, and flow connections. Next, exporting to other formats. Use Bizagi Modeler's export feature under File, then Export to save your process diagram as PDF, PNG, Word document, or Visio format for sharing with stakeholders. Export to BPMN XML for import into other BPM tools like Camunda or JBPM. Finally, running simulations. Use Bizagi Modeler's simulation feature to test your process model with sample data. Define resource costs, processing times, and arrival rates. Then run the simulation to identify bottlenecks and optimize your business process workflow before implementation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of File Magic. Get the download link at filemagic.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.